Wednesday, May 27, 2026, 11:19 a.m. I just got out the shower. Hear my smoke detector going off? Those FBI bitches, sitting over there, making my smoke detector go off. They use those weapons fucking with my smoke detector, and there's no smoke in my house. There's no smoke anywhere in this house. Yeah, them FBI bitches making that do that. No smoke in my house. No smoke in my house. And those FBI bitches making my smoke detector go off for no reason. They using those weapons, making my smoke detector go off. From which I'm about to take the battery out. I just took the battery out. Of my smoke detector. Because those FBI bitches sitting over there using those weapons fucking with me, making it go off. They do that shit all the time. Them bitches don't have nothing else to do. Those FBI bitches don't have shit else to do except sit over there and use those weapons, making my smoke detector go off. There's no smoke in my house. The smoke detector's clean, and they sat over there making it go off just to fuck with us. Because that's what they do. They have no fucking life. Those FBI bitches have no fucking life. And them bitches sitting over there making my smoke detector go off. The FBI bitch and the FBI cow bitch and that bitch ass nigga ran that bitch asses home last night. Well, yesterday morning when they left out. The nigga came back to check on the house, but then he didn't come back. And those bitches haven't been over there since that nigga came over there at 12 noon. And whichever one of those bitches sitting over there, whether they are running those weapons remotely, or the white bitch sitting over there, either way, this is what they do. Stay tuned.